amazing indie niche fragrance house. This is the house of Argos. Christian Petrovich started this company. He's an amazing gentleman and he is doing things first class. This fragrance right here is just so gentlemanly, so refined, so luxurious. I know I've used those adjectives a lot, but when you're dealing with niche fragrances, you're going to come across those words a lot: opulent, luxurious, and just so, this one is just so good. It's very refined. It's aromatic right out of the gate, okay? Very aromatic. It's fresh, it's got a lot of citrus, and I love the lime. You know, I told you I love lime. This one does not disappoint. It also has this very warming, dry, exhilarating gin note in here that's just absolutely to die for. There's lots of clean vetiver, gorgeous lavender. I could just go on and on about this one. I get about 6 to 8 hours, and when I want to feel expensive, when I want to feel confident, this is the one to go to. And people are going to ask you what you wear, and I'm telling you, you are not going to smell like everyone else wearing Argos Pour Homme. This one is amazing.